The normal and cancel lights on a Whirlpool dishwasher blink but the machine won't run. I replaced the thermocouple. What now?
Can you guesstimate how old your Whirlpool is? And just to clarify, what's the exact model?
Do 13000 XDVQ1 maybe 6 years. Old.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
If possible.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
I have cut off the power then on, and tried the heat dry normal fix. Sometimes the cancel light blinks too.
Hello. My name is. I'll be helping you with your appliance question today. Please wait a few moments while I review your question.
Okay.
The normal and cancel buttons blinking is an error code. It means that the touch control panel has a stuck button or is shorted. Unfortunately, the entire touch control panel will need to be replaced to fix this issue. This is not something that can just be reset. The touch control panel costs about $95 and below is a link to the part you'll need to order and replace for your model. We are on the honor system here. If you need anything else, just let me know. You can continue asking follow-up questions at no additional charge after rating my service if you still need assistance.
How to replace the control panel?
Just flip the breaker off to the dishwasher and open the door. Then remove all the screws around the border of the inner door liner going down vertically. The control panel and front panel will pull off the door. Then you can unclip the door latch and control board, form the back of the panel and swap out the touch control panel.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.